So I'm gonna do a quick rundown for the P3 brake controller install for the GX470. Pretty simple. I bought that online from Amazon for like about 130 bucks. The harness that plugs into it as well for about 11 bucks. I bought it used. And then this is the factory harness. If you, for some reason, your GX doesn't have it, you can hardwire it straight. Fortunately, the GX does have a plug for us. It's right there, and hopefully it's the same position as mine. It's right on above the feet vent, right here to this harness. So what I did was I just pushed it through and then pulled the plug itself all the way to the side, to this yellow box, plugged it in, ran the wire back over, kind of messy. Then I put the ground all the way over there. And then, yeah, mounted right here. Gonna finish this up, bolt it together, and that's about it. And then for people that don't know, the screen does stay on for like about 15 minutes from what it says on the manual. Eventually it would turn off, so don't freak out on that.